Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's start with my everyday carry pen guide. Today I want to present you different options, and it was important for me that the most options are very budget friendly. There are many excellent and high quality pens on the market, but the most of them are fairly expensive. We will talk about different categories: permanent markers, tactical pens, fineliner, ballpoint pens or rollerball pens, pens on Swiss Army knives, and standard highlighters. In some cases, everyday carry means a compact size, so I will talk about different sizes when we talk about the different categories. Let's talk about the price range. We have many pens that are available for under 10 euros. The most of them are available for under 50 euros, and there are some pens that are more expensive than 100 euros. Let's start with our first category, the ballpoint pens or rollerball pens. The first version is a really cool telescopic pen from True Utility. You can attach this one to your keychain, very compact and a cool little everyday carry gadget. The next pen in my selection is a really cool multi-tool pen. It's a small ballpoint pen from Troika. We have the tip of the pen, we have a ruler here. This pen comes with a pocket clip, and you can also use this one for your electronic devices like smartphones or tablet. And we have a small bit, a double-sided bit, a flathead bit and a Phillips head bit inside. The next version is definitely an everyday carry legend. It's a pocket pen from Write in the Rain. The size is very compact, but you can get a full-sized pen very easily. This pen will write in different weather conditions, and you can write upside down with this one. The next pen in our selection, very compact too and elegant. It's a cooperation between Big Idea Design and OCASO. The next pen in our selection is also from Big Idea Design, a mini bolt action pen. I really like the concept because it's small, it's compact, and with a pocket clip perfect for your everyday carry setup. The next mini bolt action pen is from Write in the Rain. It's always fun to play with the bolt action mechanism. The clip is perfect to attach this one to your everyday carry equipment. It's very durable, especially with a metal tip. You can write with this one in different weather conditions too, and it's also possible to write upside down. Another titanium pen from Big Idea Design. This one here is a model from the Baseline series. The size is fairly compact and I love the build quality. The clip is also great to attach this one to your equipment, and when you remove the cap, you have a full-sized pen and the writing comfort is excellent. The Drehgriffel versions from Leuchtturm are always a great choice, some of my favorites for my everyday carry pens. It feels so good to write with this one here. The build quality is excellent and the price-performance ratio too. Let's talk about the Caran d'Ache 849 versions. This series is a perfect start to a more elegant pen for EDC. The build quality is excellent and you find this version in different cool colors. A great series from Kaweco for beginners. Let's talk about this Kaweco Perkeo. A cool design and very comfortable to write with, definitely a great choice for under 20 euros. A fairly expensive model in this selection, but this one is my most used pen at the moment. This one here is a bolt action pen from Tactile Turn. Let's talk about pens in Victorinox Swiss Army knives. A perfect carry option for the keychain. This one here is a Victorinox from the 58mm series, and the model name is Victorinox Manager. And this one comes with an included ball pen. Another great option when you want to carry a pen in a compact size are the Victorinox Plus scales. This one here is a Victorinox Compact with an integrated pen. Cheap but very useful. Let's talk about different permanent markers. The size of this specific edding is perfect for the everyday carry toolkit, a great quality for a very cheap price. When you are looking for a slimmer model, the fine tips from Stanley in the mini version are also a great choice. You find both pens in different colors. Different permanent markers come with different tips, and I think the fine tip is the most universal solution. And you also find a combination of a fine tip and a medium tip, and I really like the quality from Staedtler. I love to carry the black and the green one. And from time to time, the standard versions from Edding and from Sharpie are always a great choice. I think the Edding is more popular here in Germany and in Europe, and the Sharpie is more popular in the US. Definitely a little bit underrated is this fairly fine version from Staedtler, definitely a universal tool for your everyday carry toolkit. And when you are looking for a higher quality and a pen with fun to play, this one here from Soul Build is a great choice. It's like a bolt action mechanism for a permanent marker. Permanent markers are definitely a great choice for your everyday carry setup. They are fairly cheap, you find different options in different sizes, and they write on many surfaces. Let's talk about the next category, tactical pens. A very popular tactical pen and definitely a great choice when we talk about the price-performance ratio, the quality and the functionality is the T6 from Phoenix. It's a combination tool with an integrated flashlight, a glass breaker tip, you have the pocket clip and an excellent pen. You find this version from Phoenix in different colors. This one here is a black version and this one here is a blue one. You find the tactical pens from different brands. This one here is a version from Bokeh Plus, and it's one of my most used carried tactical pens for years. When you are looking for a more colorful version in your everyday carry setup, this one here is a tactical pen from 511. The build quality is great and I really like the design. Let's talk about my all-time favorite tactical pen. This one here would definitely be my go-to version. It's the T5 from Phoenix. You have a glass breaker tip, an excellent pocket clip, an excellent pen inside, and I really like the slim design in combination with the build quality. I write a lot, and for this use case, the fineliners are a better option compared to permanent markers or tactical pens. There are so many fineliners on the market, but these four are my favorites. All of them are high quality and it's amazing to write down the ideas with pens like this. The first one in our selection is the Neuland Fine 1 Sketch. Fairly cheap and always a great option, this one here from Schneider. I wrote so many sites with this version here, a fineliner from Faber-Castell, a great choice, and I really like the option in combination with the elegant design. My favorite fineliner at the moment is the Tiki Graphic from Rotring. You find this version with different tips. This one here is a very fine tip, a very precise and high quality fineliner. Depending on your use case or your job, maybe a compact highlighter is a great backup option for your work. I love the versions from Edding in two different colors and the compact version from Stabilo 2. And maybe you want to integrate a pen in your prepping setup, then this endless pen from Troika is definitely a great option and you can carry this one on your keychain. Please let me know in the comment section below what's your favorite pen for your everyday carry setup.